Hey class 5, today we will do in this video the question answers of lesson 5 Terrapin's Flying Adventures. You can understand the chapter better with my previous video in which I had explained the chapter. You can search like this, Terrapin's Flying Adventure and explanation or whatever it is. So here we have the questions. They are here. I will only fly as good for me. So understand and answer. Answer the question with reference to context. I will only fly as high as is good for me. Why don't you take him? Who said this? The hawk said this to King Eagle. Okay, I need the questions also. And the second question we have, why did the speaker say this? And the answer, the hawk said this because it was not good or safe for him to fly higher than that. Next question, who is you here? Why did the speaker do after, what did the speaker do after this? Here, you referred to King Eagle. After that, King Eagle took him on a ride up higher and higher that Terrapin, here comes for Terrapin, Terrapin would never forget. Okay, these are the answers. You can take a screenshot or zoom it and write it in your notebook. Next we have match the column, and we have some column A and B are given to us, and we have given the dialogues and here the characters. So I had just matched them. Can't you go higher? Terrapin said this. No, sorry, I can't go higher. Crow said this. This is not what you call flying. King Eagle. I have got to go down. Vulture. I will only fly as high as is good. Hawk. Okay, take a screenshot, whatever you like. Okay, and children, don't forget to comment and subscribe and share the video. Next, answer these questions briefly. That the question we have at page 42. Why was Terrapin nicknamed Grumbler? अच्छा, Grumbler नाम क्यों रखा गया था Terrapin का? Terrapin was nicknamed Grumbler because he grumbled about everything to everyone. He always grumbled. You can also write here always. He always grumbled, but not necessary. Is it okay? Next. Okay. Why did the birds decided to do something? What did they decide to do? The birds, yes, the birds were fed up with Terrapin's grumbling that he could not fly like them. So they decided to teach him a lesson to stop his grumbling. Third question. Why did Crow refuse to do? First of all, the crow had taken Terrapin on a flight. Actually, that was a flight. When Terrapin asked him to go higher, the crow refused him to do so. That was the thing, he refused because it was not good for him to fly up higher. Next question. Why did Vulture want to go down? What did he do? The vulture wanted to go down because he noticed that his brothers having a feast in the valley. Feast matlab dawat. In the valley down below. The vulture whistled to Hawk, who was flying close by, and asked him to give a ride to Terrapin. Next question. Now it's somewhat how lengthy, so I have made it points. How did Terrapin finally manage to reach the ground? Okay, you have to write by leaving one line so that you can learn that easily. King Eagle took Terrapin so high that he couldn't see any houses below. टेरेपिन की जो आई साइट है वो भी वीक हो जाती है, इतना ऊपर उसको ले जाता है किंग ईगल. ही थॉट दैट ही माइट फॉल एंड क्रैश टू पाइसेस ऑन द ग्राउंड. उसको लगता है कि वो नीचे गिर जाएगा और उसके पाइसेस हो जाएंगे, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाएंगे. ही शडर्ड एट द थॉट. शडर्ड कांप जाता है, डर जाता है उससे बहुत इस सोच कर ही. जस्ट देन ही रिमेंबर्ड दैट ही हैड अ काइट वाइंडर. काइट वाइंडर मतलब पतंग वाला जो धागा होता है ना, पतंग उड़ाने वाला, वो विद स्ट्रॉन्ग थ्रेड इन हिज पॉकेट. उसको याद आता है कि उसकी पॉकेट में एक थ्रेड है, काइट वाइंडर है. ही क्विकली टाइड सम थ्रेड टू किंग ईगल्स लेग. लेग से टाई करता है उसको. देन ही हेल्ड ऑन टू द वाइंडर. ओके, दिस वे जस्ट सी दिस काइट वाइंडर ना, उसको टाई कर देता है पैर पे और फिर वहाँ से वो उड़ना शुरू कर देता है. नेक्स्ट देखो. He quickly tied some thread to King Eagle's leg. Then he held on to the winder and leaped off King Eagle's back and let himself down. In this way, he managed to reach the ground. Okay, children, that's enough. The questions. You can take a screenshot or pause the video. And if you see this video 2-3 times now, you can be easily able to learn the questions. Okay, that's enough for the day. Okay, have a nice day.